If you're looking to start a business online in 2021 and you're not too sure where to start, I've got 5 business ideas here, and we're going to jump in right now. Hi there, Dan here with The Freedom Provider, and today I want to look at these 5 side hustles or online businesses that could help you achieve freedom in your life and potentially help you make some side money or some real life-changing income. And so the first one I want to jump into is digital freelancing. And this is where, we all understand the concept of freelancing. If I'm a photographer and I have this skill, I can go out and shoot images very well, and I have my own business doing that. But there might be someone else, another photographer friend of mine that may need some help. He can hire me out and as a freelancer, and I can shoot for him, get paid, and that's pretty much how it works. I actually do videography freelancing during the summer, where I work for a friend of mine who hires me out to record wedding videos. So we all know the term with freelancing. So digital freelancing is very simply put that you have a skill that you can contribute to in the digital realm, whether it be website creation, SEO optimization, search engine optimization, voiceover work, video editing. These are all like digital freelance skills. And then you can go to a couple of different sites. Fiverr is a very popular site where a lot of people set up their own profiles and market their services, and they can essentially earn gigs and earn money that way, by completing gigs. There's other sites called Upwork. Upwork.com is the one and 99 Designs and Guru.com are just a couple of different freelance website places where you can essentially sign up as a digital freelancer and offer services if you have something in that arena. The second option, or something that you might want to consider, is starting your own YouTube channel. A lot of kids, it's a pipe dream, or a lot of kids nowadays say, I want to be a YouTuber, maybe for fame or something like that, or because they're watching it quite a bit. And a lot of parents say, it's not a real job. But there are people that are doing it and doing it well, that are making 6 figures or more on YouTube, and they've turned it into a business. With a YouTube, just let's look at YouTube in and of itself first. It has 2 billion users on it, and its ad revenue is around 5.6 billion in ads. It is the second most popular website, coming in right behind its parent company, Google. So YouTube is an incredibly powerful platform, and it is an amazing resource that people go to check out and learn from. But with all of those 2 billion users, a lot of children of those users are on YouTube, and they're going to be coming online soon. So if you had a YouTube channel that got maybe just a percentage of 1% or a fraction of 1%, you'd have a pretty good following of that 2 billion users, right? So, all right, so how do you make money with YouTube? Well, one is your channel can get monetized after you get 1,000 subs and I think 4,000 hours watch time. You can monetize your channel, which means that you will earn a small amount off of the ads that run on your channel. The other thing that you can do is you can get brand deals or sponsorships as you gain popularity on your channel. The other thing that is very cool that you can do is you can pair your YouTube channel with something that I'm going to talk about later as a business model, and that's affiliate marketing. And it can be, and we'll touch on that at the end of the video on how affiliate marketing can can pair into your YouTube channel and as a way to earn income for your side hustle or for your business. The third option would be becoming a blogger. Now, I know bloggers is kind of like an old thing, but there are people that are making a good amount of money blogging in today's society. And one of the ways, and this is obviously writing focused, so if you have a knack for writing and you like doing that, that's great. You can easily set up a WordPress site, and it's pretty affordable to run one of those. And then once you have that set up, you can begin creating your blogs and then providing value and kind of getting a following. Now, blogging may take a little bit of time, but you can actually, through blogging, earn money through ad revenue of ads that run on your site, but then also through affiliate marketing as well. Through backlinking, you can connect to products that you write about on your site that could help you make money online. So the fourth thing that I wanted to touch on is, if you have a skill or a knowledge base of something that's unique that not a lot of people have, you might want to consider creating a course or doing coaching. Creating online courses and coaching is a very popular thing, and a lot of people are doing it. And it's the cool thing about creating a course is that once you do it and post it, then as people go to that course, the work you put in is up front, and so you'll begin to earn money long after you've done your training and all the work to create a course. So you can take your skill and your knowledge and create that course, and there's a couple of different platforms that you can help you with that. Platforms like Kajabi, Thinkific, Skillshare, ConvertKit. These are all different course creation platforms where they'll guide you through the process of creating your course and then hosting it online, and then you market and drive the traffic to that. But that leads us to my favorite online business strategy or side hustle strategy, and that's affiliate marketing. And this is can be interwoven into all of these different types of business strategies. And what affiliate marketing is essentially you market a product or service that you would refer, and as people take action on it and buy that, you get a commission off of that. It's that simple. So if you were to let's say you wanted to sell a website. I'm an affiliate for Bluehost. I use Bluehost to host my website, and if you want to consider doing blogging, for example, I would love it if you clicked on my affiliate link below, and I would get a commission off of you taking action and just signing up on your using Bluehost to start your WordPress website, and so that's pretty much how it works. The cool thing you can do, like for a YouTube channel, would be to take a product that you're interested in, or something that you really like. Let's say it's makeup or beauty supplies. You can then talk about your makeup and beauty supplies and do tutorials and everything about makeup and beauty on your YouTube channel. There's a whole it's a huge niche where a lot of people are doing that. But as they do that and become more popular, people that click on those links below are actually, if they're buying products, they're giving that YouTuber income for that YouTuber directing them to those links. Another popular place for affiliate marketing is Amazon. The Amazon has an affiliate program that it doesn't pay out a lot, but it's a very popular and easy place to get started on. And you'll see a lot of tech bloggers and stuff refer people to Amazon and or products, or they'll do product reviews, and then as they do those product reviews, there'll be links about those to buy those direct products in their bio or in their description below. And the cool thing about Amazon is if you click on that link and go to their page, they will get a commission for, I think, anything they buy out of from Amazon in their cart for like 24 hours. So if they don't buy, let's say I'm reviewing a camera and I think this camera is amazing, I do a tremendous review on it, and you say, I'm going to check that out. You click on the link in the bio below, you look at the camera, and you go, I'm not really interested in buying that today. No big deal. But you do decide to buy something else. Let's say you buy some groceries or some other products or some shirts or something that you found on Amazon that you really want. Maybe something was in your cart and you're like, oh man, or you went and added something to your cart and checked out there. I would get a commission off of that because you clicked through and went to Amazon through my affiliate link. So it's kind of cool that way. If you are interested in learning all about affiliate marketing or course creation and being an online coach, there is a link in the description below that will guide you through a 15-day challenge or training on this. It's $7 and you get a chance to really meet with a mentor for 15 days, and it would be like meeting with me for 15 days and going through all the things that I know for an hour each day for the price of maybe one cup of coffee. So I think it's worth it. I really love the program and the community behind it. They're very honest and genuine, and they'll tell you straightforward what you're exactly getting into. And so if you would, check it out below. It's my personal recommendation for online marketing. It really guides you through the whole process of what affiliate marketing is, and it's a lot nicer to go through a direct path rather than going all over the place on YouTube like I did for quite a while, kind of wondering, going from one thing to the next. So with that, thank you so much for watching today. I hope these helped you out in your online journey for earning some money online. This is Dan with The Freedom Provider. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you in a bit.